By 2040, your city won't just be built of concrete and steel. It will think, breathe, and even care for you. Imagine walking into a park that powers itself, or living in a home that monitors your health before you even feel sick. Sounds impossible? Not for long. Let's step into the cities of tomorrow. 1. Welcome to tomorrow. Smart cities reimagined. Forget flying cars and neon skylines. Smart cities are no longer sci-fi dreams. Right now, in 2025, cities across the globe are moving past basic infrastructure like Wi-Fi hotspots and digital billboards. The real shift is happening in the integration. It's not just about apps or sensors. It's about weaving together transportation, energy, healthcare, and even recreation into one intelligent, responsive system. So, what actually defines a smart city today? Three things: connectivity, sustainability, and adaptability. A place where systems aren't just connected, but talk to each other, constantly learning, predicting, and evolving alongside its citizens. 2. The invisible backbone, AI and data at the core. At the heart of this transformation lies something you can't see: data. Imagine an AI quietly monitoring traffic across your city, predicting jams before they happen, and rerouting vehicles in real time. Or an energy grid that knows when the sun sets, balances solar panels with wind farms, and keeps your lights on with zero human input. Sensors already track pollution, temperature, and water levels. Now imagine a system that doesn't just report numbers, but adjusts itself instantly to keep your air cleaner and your streets safer. And then comes the personal layer. In tomorrow's smart city, services will be hyper-personalized. Your commute, your medical checkups, even how your streetlights dim or brighten, all tailored to your needs, sometimes before you even realize them. 3. Revolutionizing urban living. Beyond the commute, transportation is about to be flipped upside down. Picture this: no more human drivers. Buses, taxis, and delivery drones weaving through the city without a single steering wheel. Mobility becomes seamless, cheap, and safe. But smart cities go beyond movement. Food systems are changing too. Vertical farms rising inside skyscrapers will feed thousands using a fraction of the land and water. Your salad might be grown 1 block away, not trucked in from miles away. And your daily experience? Augmented reality will turn public squares into interactive canvases. Imagine pointing your phone, or smart glasses, at a building and instantly seeing its history, energy output, or available office space. Cities won't just be functional, they'll be alive, immersive, and constantly engaging. 4. Challenges and ethical crossroads. Who owns the future? But here's the catch. With great data comes great responsibility. Who owns the oceans of information your city collects? Is it the government, tech companies, or you? Without careful checks, a smart city can quickly turn into a surveillance city. Then there's the digital divide. What happens if only the wealthy neighborhoods get the latest smart systems, while others are left behind? A city can't be truly smart if it isn't fair. And let's not forget cybersecurity. If everything from traffic signals to hospitals runs on connected systems, one cyber attack could shut down an entire city in seconds. The question is no longer, can we build smart cities? It's, should we build them this way? And for whom? 5. Your role in the urban evolutions. Here is the twist. The future of cities isn't just in the hands of engineers or politicians, it's in yours. Right now, citizens are co-creating neighborhoods through feedback apps, open data projects, and community energy grids. Every decision, what you support, where you live, how you vote, shapes the future blueprint of your city. And the opportunities are massive. Careers in urban AI, green architecture, sustainable energy, and smart infrastructure are exploding. The next generation of builders won't just pour concrete. They'll design living systems. So ask yourself, when your city evolves, will you be a passive resident or an active co-creator of the future? The smart city isn't just about technology. It's about redefining what it means to live together as humans. By 2040, cities won't just house us. They'll adapt, protect, and even anticipate us. The only question left is, are we ready to step into that future?